Do you know how frustrating it can be if you join a program that doesn't give you the proper guidance, the mentoring, and the training to get started? That you feel like without teaching you how to swim, you're being thrown into the deep ocean and you're expected to swim out of it yourself? Well, in this video, I would like to share with you the best online program that you can get into that provides you an ongoing training, mentoring, coaching, and gives you an easy step-by-step blueprint that you can use and be able to succeed in it in the same way as the rest of the 38,000 people in this community are. And that program is known as the Legacy Builders Program. So, what is the Legacy Builders Program? The Legacy Builders Program is everything you need as a complete beginner within the online space. It provides you with the relevant tools, the guidance, the mentoring, and the coaching on exactly how you can successfully launch an online business, how you can successfully automate your online business, because it gives you a pre-built automated system that you can simply pick up and integrate into systems.io to set your business on autopilot. It also provides you with an ongoing training and mentoring on how to create relatable content and how to use attraction marketing to be able to reach your target audience, so that you don't have to struggle to look for the customer, so that you don't have to go around messaging friends and families and bothering people just to buy into the program. Because in this program we teach you exactly how you can be able to use digital marketing in the right way on the different social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And if you're an introvert, we teach you exactly how you can use the free ads method to post free ads on high traffic websites every single day to help you reach your perfect customers and to help divert traffic into your automated system where the email marketing runs on autopilot. So if you're someone out there who is a complete beginner just like me, without the experience and without the tech skills, then the Legacy Builders program is the best online program that you can get into, especially if you're looking for a program that's able to provide you with ongoing training, mentoring, coaching, and a mentor who is able to hold your hands throughout your journey, so that you don't feel like you're alone, you don't feel like you're completely lost, and you get to be a part of a community of over 38,000 people who are there to support you on your journey. You see, 9 months ago, I was a struggling 9 to 5 mom, living paycheck to paycheck and having to go around knocking on people's doors just to be able to borrow money to support my family and I until the next paycheck. And although I joined so many different programs prior to getting into the Legacy Builders program, one of the challenges that I faced in each of those programs that was the fact that I was thrown into the deep ocean and I was expected to swim out of it without the guidance and without the training on how to swim out of it. It was until I joined the Legacy Builders program that introduced me to a blueprint on how to successfully launch an online business, how to set it on autopilot, and how to use a proven blueprint to be able to make daily pay. And if you're interested to know more about how you can get into this amazing program, Type ready in the comments because I would love to share this opportunity with you.